Hello, friends. We are back to finish our continent map. So, make sure you get your map out of your envelope. Yesterday, we did the Western Hemisphere of our map. Today, we're going to do the Eastern Hemisphere. Say hemisphere. Remember, hemisphere means half of a sphere. Remember our round globe and we made it flat? And then we had to show both sides of that sphere. So this is half of the sphere and the other half of our sphere. So it can really show the whole Earth. Okay, what you need out of your box today is your crayons, colored pencils, scissors, and glue. In your envelope, you're also going to find 2 cotton balls. Okay, let me make sure I have everything. Map, glue, scissors, cotton balls, crayons, and colored pencils. I put my crayons and colored pencils on one side and everything else on the other side. I need these first. Okay. Let's see if you remember our continent song. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Don't forget Australia. Don't forget Antarctica. These are the 7 continents of the planet Earth. Okay, so how many continents do we have? 7. That's right, we have 7 continents. Our continent is North America. What color is our continent? Orange. And this is our Western Hemisphere. Okay, let's get started on our Eastern Hemisphere. We're going to start with Africa. And I need my green colored pencil or crayon because Africa is green. Make sure your helping hand is holding your paper or else it will start to move while you color. And that will make your coloring very difficult. I color faster when it's lots of open space, and then remember I slow down near the edges. Right off of the coast of Africa, I see an island. It's called Madagascar. Say Madagascar. You may have seen a movie about this island. The movie is called Madagascar. Okay, I have Africa colored. Let's see what comes next. North America, South America, Africa, Europe. Europe is red. Let me get my red colored pencil. Yes. Europe is a smaller continent, so I really need to slow down when I'm coloring. Okay, there's Europe. Okay, let's see what comes next. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Asia is yellow, and it is huge. Did you notice that it's our largest continent? We haven't talked about this in a long time, but remember, when you're writing and coloring, you pinch your pencil and you take your middle finger and put it right under to make a shelf to hold your pencil. A pinch and a shelf. I say it to myself. A pinch and a shelf. That'll help you have the most control of your crayon or colored pencil or regular pencil. Even a paintbrush. Okay. Just see a few white spots that I'm covering. I want my whole continent to be yellow. Okay, I finished Asia. Okay, there's a lot more continents on the eastern hemisphere. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Don't forget Australia. Let me find ground. Remember yesterday when we talked about Australia being an island? An island is surrounded by water on all of its sides. There's no land next to it. So Australia is an island. Say Australia is an island. It is. Okay, there's Australia. Okay, let's see what comes next. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Don't forget Australia. Don't forget Antarctica. Antarctica is white. So I'm going to leave it white because my paper is white. Okay, there's one last thing I need to color on my eastern hemisphere. What is it? Colored all my land, my continents. The water needs to be colored. Okay, let me find that bright blue that I had yesterday. I hope I can find it. I really liked how bright it was. Let's see if this is it. Remember, this is going to be scrap, so I'm testing it out. Oh no, that's not the same. That's a darker blue. I want that very bright blue. Let's see if this is it. I don't think that's the same either. No. Let's see if this is it. I don't think this is it either. Wait a minute, is that it? Let me put it right next to my coloring from yesterday. That might be it, but I'm not sure. I want to test out another one to make sure. There it is. That's the right color. Okay. I was hoping I'd find it. Okay. Remember yesterday how I go right on the outline of my circle and then I start coloring in the middle? There's lots of land to trace around. There's Madagascar again off the coast of Africa. I gotta color water all around it because it's an island too. And it's surrounded by water on all sides. My, there's so many islands here. Mm-hmm. Okay, I finished coloring my water. My map is finished. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Don't forget Australia. Don't forget Antarctica. These are the 7 continents of the planet Earth. Dixie must like the continent song. Can you say hi to our friends? Hello. Oh, goodness. All right, lady, get down. All right, my friends, now what we're going to do is make our flat map into a globe. So, I have to start by cutting. I'm going to cut this paper right in half for my hemispheres, right down the middle. Remember, hemisphere is half of a sphere. Let's cut out ours first. Remember, when you're cutting out circles, you do not turn your cutting hand. You use your helping hand to turn your paper. If you're having trouble turning your paper, ask someone in your family to hold your paper while you cut. Open your scissors and shut them almost closed. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little cut, cut, cut. Okay, there's our Western Hemisphere scrap paper I'm going to put off to the side. Remember, keep your projects separated from scrap paper. Cut right on the line. There we go. Okay, my scrap paper. There's my colored side, and on the back, it's my blank white paper. I'm going to end up gluing these together, but I don't want to glue it all together at once. So watch what I do. I'm going to glue just around the top edge. Just halfway. See, I stopped. I didn't glue down here. Glue the top just halfway, like a rainbow arc. Just the top. And then I'm going to touch them, line them up. Okay, now those sides are glued, but I still have an opening. That opening is for my cotton balls. Pinch and pull them apart. We need to make them big. Big and fluffy. Okay, one cotton ball is ready to go into my globe. Okay, this map was flat, but now I'm going to try to make it sphere shaped. It's really not going to be sphere shaped, but it will be a little more rounded than it was. It won't be flat. Pinch and pull apart your cotton ball. It's okay if it pulls all the way apart because you can stuff all the pieces inside your map to make it into a globe. Okay, one little piece to stuff. Okay, now I'm ready to glue down this part that's been open still, okay? I'm only gonna glue on the bottom. So I'm finishing that bottom arc of glue. Then I can press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's going to be some parts that I might have missed. See right here? I need to put some glue here and then press it down. So put it on the bottom. Okay, let's see if that worked. Oh my, I got some glue on my table. I can use a paper towel to clean it up. Okay, I'm going to go around the edges and just pinch to make sure it's all the way shut. If you see an opening that needs glue, put your glue inside and then pinch it. Okay, I think I've made my, oh, hold on. One more pinch and that should do. Okay, it looks great. Please make sure you roll your glue down before you put the cap on. That's very important. I noticed at school that some of you are not doing this and it's messing up your glue. Roll down your glue and then put the lid on so the cap won't stick to the top. Okay, friends, look. Hold on. Where's the other side? Oh, that's right. There it is, just like our globe. Okay, we have both of our hemispheres, our Western Hemisphere and our Eastern Hemisphere. At school, I'm going to ask you what hemisphere means. Remember, hemisphere means half of a sphere. What an amazing continent map you made, and it really does look like a globe now that it's a little more rounded. Okay, friends, make sure you put your work in your envelope so I can check it. Okay, I'll see you at school. Bye, friends.